Hey everyone, if you're having trouble opening the NVIDIA app, don't worry, this video will walk you through how to fix it. If you're seeing an error message like the one on your screen, the first thing you should do is close the window. Then open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager window to open it. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section and look for your NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, and then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From there, select your NVIDIA graphics card and click Next. The system will install the latest drivers, so give it a few moments. Once the installation is complete, close Device Manager and try reopening the NVIDIA app to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, don't worry, let's move on to the next step. First, close the NVIDIA app again. Then open the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app, and from the left sidebar, select Apps. Click on Installed Apps, and in the search box, type NVIDIA. Click the three horizontal dots next to the NVIDIA app and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation, and once it's finished, close the window. Now open your web browser and search for NVIDIA app download. Click on the top search result, and on the page that opens, click Download Now. Once the download is complete, open the NVIDIA app installer. Follow the installation steps, agreeing to the terms and conditions. The NVIDIA app should launch automatically once installed. You'll be prompted to choose either the Game Ready driver or the NVIDIA Studio driver. Select one and click Next, then click Done, and you'll see that the NVIDIA app is now working properly. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.